In this tutorial, we will show you how to publish a roster. First, navigate to the Rosters tab and click View Rosters. You will see Rosters calendar for the current week. To publish a roster in this view, simply right-click a draft roster and click Publish option from the menu. A prompt will appear displaying "Are you sure to publish this record?" With this action, the roster will be converted into published mode, which is color-coded in blue. Now that the roster has been published, the worker will receive a push notification message on their mobile and email with the option to either accept or decline the offered opportunity. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more help tutorials.